Welcome back. Today we're diving into cross-border payments and exploring XRPL, a technology that claims to be faster, cheaper, and more efficient. We're talking about the XRP ledger, also known as XRPL. Is this just another buzzword, or could it revolutionize how we move money across borders? That's what we're here to find out. We'll break down everything you need to know about XRPL, from how it works to its potential benefits and challenges. So buckle up and let's dive in. One of the biggest pain points with traditional cross-border payments is the time it takes for transactions to go through. Think about it. You send money overseas, and it can take days, sometimes even weeks, for them to receive it. That's like sending an email and having it arrive next month. This is where XRPL changes the game. Transactions on the XRP ledger settle in an astonishing 3 to 5 seconds on average. That's right, seconds. Imagine sending money across the globe as quickly as you send a text message. This speed is made possible by XRPL's unique architecture, which doesn't rely on traditional intermediaries that slow down conventional payment systems. It's like taking the scenic route versus hopping on a high-speed train. The difference is night and day. This speed has massive implications for businesses, especially those dealing with international transactions. It means faster payments, improved cash flow, and the ability to operate more efficiently on a global scale. For individuals, it means no more waiting anxiously for funds to arrive or dealing with the uncertainty of traditional remittance services. XRPL transactions are designed to be final and irreversible, so there's no risk of chargebacks or disputes once a transaction is complete. This level of certainty and predictability is a game changer in finance, where delays and uncertainties can cost businesses time and money. So the next time you're stuck waiting for an international payment to clear, remember the speed and efficiency of XRPL. Let's be honest, nobody likes fees. Whether it's those pesky ATM fees or the hefty charges for international wire transfers, they always seem to eat into our hard-earned money. Now, imagine a world where sending money across borders costs just a fraction of a penny. That's the reality XRPL aims to create. One of the most compelling aspects of XRPL is its incredibly low transaction fees. We're talking fractions of a penny per transaction, often as low as 0.0004 XRP. To put that into perspective, traditional cross-border payments can sometimes cost upwards of $30 to $50 in fees alone. These low fees are a game changer for businesses and individuals alike. For businesses, it means significantly reduced costs when making international payments, freeing up capital that can be reinvested back into the business or passed on as savings to customers. Imagine the impact on your bottom line if you could slash your international transaction fees by 99%. For individuals, especially those who rely on remittances to send money to family and loved ones overseas, these low fees can be life-changing. Think about the impact of saving even $10 or $20 on each transaction for someone sending a significant portion of their income back home. This is the power of XRPL. It has the potential to democratize access to financial services and make moving money across borders more affordable and accessible for everyone. So, the next time you're hit with a hefty fee for an international transfer, remember XRPL. Imagine a world where you could seamlessly send any currency to anyone, anywhere in the world, without the hassle of currency exchanges or complicated conversion rates. This is the promise of XRPL's interoperability and multi-currency support. Unlike traditional financial systems that often operate in silos, XRPL is designed to connect different currencies and assets seamlessly. It's like a universal translator for money, allowing for smooth and efficient transactions across borders, regardless of the currencies involved. At the heart of this capability is XRPL's decentralized exchange, a built-in feature that allows for the direct exchange of different currencies and tokenized assets right on the ledger. This means no more relying on third-party exchanges or dealing with their associated fees and delays. Whether you need to send US dollars to euros, convert Japanese yen to British pounds, or even trade tokenized assets representing commodities or securities, XRPL can handle it all within its unified system. This interoperability extends beyond just traditional currencies. XRPL can also handle tokenized assets, which are digital representations of real-world assets like stocks, bonds, or even real estate. This opens up a world of possibilities for cross-border transactions, allowing for faster, more efficient, and cost-effective movement of assets across the globe. Imagine a future where you can invest in international real estate or buy shares of a foreign company with the same ease as making a domestic purchase. That's the potential that XRPL unlocks with its multi-currency and asset interoperability. Now, you might be wondering who's actually using XRPL and how it's making its way into the real world. Well, that's where Ripple comes in. Ripple is a company that's leveraging the power of XRPL to build a global payments network, and they're not doing it alone. They're partnering with some of the biggest names in finance to make it happen. Ripple's on-demand liquidity (ODL) solution is a prime example of how XRPL is being used to solve real-world problems. ODL uses XRP, the digital asset native to the XRP ledger, as a bridge currency to facilitate cross-border transactions. Instead of converting currencies through multiple intermediaries, ODL allows you to instantly convert your currency into XRP, send it to the recipient, and have them convert it back into their local currency, all within seconds and at a fraction of the cost. Ripple is actively partnering with hundreds of financial institutions worldwide, including major banks, payment providers, and money transfer operators, to integrate XRPL into their existing systems. These partnerships are crucial for driving the adoption of XRPL and building the infrastructure needed for a truly global payments network. Imagine a world where you can send money to someone in another country through your regular bank app, and it arrives instantly, without any hidden fees or exchange rate markups. That's the future that Ripple is working towards, and they're making significant strides with each new partnership. These partnerships are a testament to the growing recognition of XRPL's potential to revolutionize cross-border payments. Now, it's not all smooth sailing for XRPL. Despite its potential, it also faces its fair share of challenges, particularly when it comes to regulations and competition. Navigating these hurdles will be crucial for XRPL's long-term success. One of the biggest challenges facing XRPL is regulatory uncertainty, especially in the United States. The Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, has been locked in a legal battle with Ripple, alleging that XRP should be classified as a security. This ongoing lawsuit has created uncertainty for investors and financial institutions looking to adopt XRPL. The outcome of this lawsuit could have far-reaching implications for the future of XRPL and the broader cryptocurrency industry. A ruling in favor of Ripple could pave the way for wider adoption, while an unfavorable ruling could stifle innovation and hinder XRPL's growth. Beyond regulatory hurdles, XRPL also faces competition from other players in the cross-border payment space. SWIFT, the global financial messaging system used by thousands of financial institutions, has been working on its own cross-border payment solution called GPI, which aims to improve the speed and transparency of traditional payments. Then there's Stellar, another blockchain-based payments network that shares some similarities with XRPL and is also vying for a piece of the cross-border payments pie. Despite these challenges, XRPL's speed, low cost, and growing network of partners give it a significant competitive advantage. In a world increasingly focused on sustainability, the environmental impact of technology is a major consideration. And when it comes to cryptocurrencies, energy consumption has been a point of concern. However, XRPL stands out from the crowd with its remarkably low energy footprint. Unlike Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies that rely on energy-intensive mining processes, XRPL uses a consensus mechanism that doesn't require massive amounts of computing power. This means that XRPL transactions consume a fraction of the energy compared to traditional payment systems and other blockchain networks. In fact, XRPL is estimated to be 120,000 times more energy efficient than proof-of-work cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin. This makes XRPL an attractive option for environmentally conscious businesses and individuals looking to reduce their carbon footprint. As sustainability becomes increasingly important for businesses and consumers alike, XRPL's energy efficiency could be a major differentiator. It aligns with the growing demand for eco-friendly solutions and positions XRPL as a responsible choice for the future of finance. As more companies prioritize environmental, social, and governance (ESG) factors, adopting sustainable technologies like XRPL can enhance their brand reputation and attract investors who value responsible practices. So, while the debate over the environmental impact of cryptocurrencies continues, XRPL stands apart as a more sustainable and energy-efficient alternative. So, there you have it, a deep dive into XRPL and its potential to transform cross-border payments. We've explored its speed, its incredibly low fees, its ability to handle multiple currencies, and its potential to make sending money across borders as easy as sending a text message. We've also discussed the challenges it faces, from regulatory hurdles to competition from other players in the space. But despite these challenges, the potential of XRPL is undeniable. So what do you think? Could XRPL be the game changer for cross-border payments? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights.